you eaten yet? You haven't? Let's get cooking.
Today we are making Kimchi Bokkeumbap, kimchi fried rice, and serving it two different ways. The key ingredient is having sour kimchi. If your kimchi isn't sour, add a bit of vinegar like half a teaspoon and it will do the trick. Generally, I use 1/3 of the rice weight of kimchi, but the more you put in, it will make it taste better. I got these less salty bacon for the meat. Alternatively, you can use Spam, hot dog sausage, and minced pork. If your kimchi and meat is on the salty side, please add less soy sauce than the measurement here. We are going to start by finely slicing the spring onion. When we get to the white part, I have chopped it in half and sliced. Slice the bacon thinly as well. In a frying pan, add the spring onion, bacon, and some cooking oil. Turn the heat to high and start cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to cut my kimchi with scissors in a bowl. If you chop them on a chopping board, it's super messy and it's hard to get the colors out. I don't use the kimchi sauce as it will make my fried rice soggy. Once you are happy how your bacon is cooked, add the kimchi, red chili powder, and stir fry. I don't cook the kimchi too long as I like the crunchy texture of kimchi. Make some room where you can add the soy sauce for a moment to scorch. Mix the kimchi and add the brown sugar, which will help reduce the sourness of the kimchi. Once it's all mixed, turn off the heat and add the rice. I used a ladle to break the rice apart and mix well. When it is all mixed, put the heat back on, add a bit of sesame oil, and stir fry. The traditional kimchi fried rice would be served with a fried egg and some seaweed flakes. Crack the runny egg and mix to eat. The UFO Kimchi Fried Rice. We start by adding a bowl of rice in the middle of the pan. Make sure you add some oil on the outside as I forgot. Crack 2 eggs and whisk it and pour around the rice. Sprinkle some cheese and cover it with a lid to help cook the eggs, and Bob's your uncle. 짜잔! Kimchi Bokkeumbap. What style would you go for? Traditional or UFO Kimchi Fried Rice? Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕!